Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. This is the Rideshare Hub. We are currently, I'm giving away free shirts for anybody. If anybody wants a free shirt, let me know. If we have your size, I'll give you out a free t-shirt. Rideshare shirt. Anyways guys, I just wanted to create this video to talk to you guys about it's basically a bad update for Uber drivers. It has to do with Uber's paid sick program. So this is basically, I'm gonna spill the tea. I'm gonna make this video as short as possible. But yeah, who cares? Let's get right into it. I know times are tough right now, and I know we're all in a bad position, but this could be some good news for some people if you do qualify, but most people are not gonna qualify for this. So, but actually I'm gonna make another video on this because I actually did find a loophole too that I think would make you qualify for this bad update. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's spill some tea, shall we? Let's do some research investigation with Dylan from the Rideshare Hub, everybody's favorite controversial rideshare YouTube channel. I don't know why some people just like to start drama. Oh gosh, I'm coughing. Here we go. I'm gonna click on this in 3, 2, 1, click. This is on Uber's website, guys. Uber.com, everybody's favorite website, right? We all love Uber, don't we? Here we go. An update on blank financial assistance. Can't say that word, why? Because I'll get demonetized and I need my AdSense revenue. The last few weeks have been hard for everyone. I know, it's been difficult, guys. If you need money today, this could help you. And if you need more money today, go do Instacart. I know it might stink going around doing Instacart. Honestly, it doesn't stink. I don't know why I said that. Some people don't like grocery shopping, but I think you'll learn to love it. 125 batches in 30 days? That's like 4 hours a day of doing maybe 5 at the most. And you'll make, that could last you through the next 3 months, guys. So use my code and link in the description below. Okay, here we go. The last few weeks have been hard, blah, blah, blah. So on Uber's website, you gotta do some investigation, right? So here we go. They launched the Work Hub, which again, I already exposed Uber saying that it's pretty much just a job platform. With fewer people moving around, many of you are earning less than usual. In response, we launched a new Work Hub so you can go work at Domino's. Cool, no thank you. If you do work at Domino's, no shade. I know some cool people who actually work there, but I don't want to work there. If you're still on the road, you're providing critical services during this period, like getting essential workers to their jobs or getting food to people at home. Yes, it was already proved that driving for Uber is an essential job, so you're fine driving for Uber at this time. People need to go to grocery stores and people need to go work at grocery stores and hospitals and, at jobs that are essential. Essentially right now, if you're driving people for Uber, most of your people are going to be essential workers going to work. So like your transportation, if you get rid of transportation, people can't go work at grocery stores. If people don't have car, it's just gonna be a whole mess. So anyways, you're an essential worker. Availability is limited, but we're working to get these supplies to drivers. Free disinfectants, nice. We've also purchased tens of millions of ear loop face masks. Cool beans. I could use one of those right now. We also launched Blank Resources, an in-app resource dedicated to safety information and updates from us. Cool. And over the past month, we provided financial assistance to drivers and delivery people diagnosed, blank, or ordered to self-quarantine or self-isolated by a doctor or public health authority. We moved quickly to announce this policy. That was a joke. So many people got denied. Okay, here we go, guys. This is the update right here. So now, they've updated the policy. Since then, many of you have told us the policy originally we launched supported too few drivers, and the process to get funds has been too complicated and confusing. Today, we're revising our policy in 2 ways. Here's the update, guys. We're focusing our assistance on those who are still actively driving and delivering. We're expanding eligibility to include drivers and delivery people who have been told to individually quarantine because they have pre-existing conditions that put them at a higher risk of suffering illness. Because this will mean more people are eligible than the old policy, we chose to establish a maximum per person payment to make this policy more sustainable. Two huge problems with that, guys. I know it sounds good, but two huge problems. Researchers have shown, people have shown that even young and healthy people are still getting hospitalized and are still out of work just because you have pre-existing conditions, or just because you don't have pre-existing conditions doesn't mean that you're not at risk. Everyone's at risk. That's a huge problem. Huge, guys. I think they should include everyone, not just people with pre-existing health conditions. And secondly, why do you put a maximum per person payment? And thirdly, what's that amount? Hold on, guys. Here we go. Applying under the new policy. Here's the new policy, guys. Listen up. To be eligible, you must provide written documentation from a licensed doctor or government public health official showing that either 1, you have an active case, number 2, you're individually ordered to self-quarantine because you've suspected to have an active case, or 3, you were individually ordered to self-quarantine because you have pre-existing health conditions that put you at a higher risk of serious illness. And I think, guys, that they should have a number 4 of just you're ordered to self-isolate, because everyone's ordered to self-isolate. We're on a freaking national lockdown, for goodness sakes. So you have, in the third one, guy, and the last stipulation is that we're aiming to, you have to have done at least one ride in the past 30 days from when you submit your application. So before it was before March 6th, 30 days. Now it's whenever you submit your application. So we'll look at your average earnings over the 3 months before your application for assistance. So yeah, this is the new policy. We continue to offer 14 days of financial assistance. The maximum amount differs by city because they're based on typical earnings. Honestly, LA, the max is $459 per person. Columbus, $200. In Rio Valley Grande, Texas, it's only $136. Oh my gosh, that's no money at all. Before, people were getting like $1,800. Wow, $136. I'm sorry, but that is a joke. That's all I have for today's video, guys. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Have a great day. Until next time, bye guys.